Most people think arthritis or joint damage is a life sentence. But what if your joints could actually rebuild themselves? Let me show you how. When I first started studying joint repair, I realized something shocking. Doctors focus only on managing symptoms, painkillers, injections, surgery, but they miss the body's natural ability to regenerate. The truth is, your body is wired to heal if you give it the right conditions. Let me share with you 3 tips. Tip number 1. The first secret is understanding the vehicle. Your body can rebuild joints. Step 1 is lowering inflammation with omega-3, vitamin B5 and vitamin C. Step 2 is providing raw materials, glucosamine, MSM and amino acids like lysine and proline to rebuild collagen. Step 3 is reactivating your body's own stem cells because they're the construction crew that repairs cartilage, tendons and bones. And the key molecule that drives this process is something called copper peptide, GHKCU, your body's natural signal for regeneration. The exciting part? We can now elevate this copper peptide naturally. Tip number 2. Maybe you're thinking, but I've had arthritis for years, can this really work for me? Yes, because no matter how long you've been struggling, your stem cells are still there. They just go dormant as you age. When you reactivate them, repair starts happening again. I've seen people who couldn't climb stairs start moving pain-free, simply by supporting their body with the right nutrients and reactivating their stem cells. Tip number 3. Maybe you've tried supplements, injections, even surgery before and nothing worked. That's because the missing piece wasn't addressed. You need all 3 steps. Reduce inflammation, feed your joints the raw materials, and reactivate stem cells through the copper peptide GHKCU. When all 3 line up, that's when the body finally repairs instead of just coping. So, if you're tired of living with pain, stiffness, or limited mobility, I'd like to offer you something, a free 30-minute health consultation where we'll map out your joint repair plan. The link is in the description. And if you're curious how to activate your own stem cells naturally, I'll show you the same breakthrough patch, LifeWave X39, that helps elevate the copper peptide GHKCU and restart your body's repair process. Don't just manage your pain, rebuild your joints.